Are you ready to uncover the next 100x altcoin? It might seem like a tall order, but with a bit of strategy and luck, it's totally doable. That's exactly what we're going to cover today, as we reveal how to make 100x on Coinbase itself without delving into any weird crypto wallets or sketchy underground projects. So, what's the secret? It's simply finding new ecosystems bursting with high potential projects. But you probably guessed that. What you probably didn't guess is that Coinbase's new Layer 2 solution, Base, just may offer that fresh frontier brimming with 100x opportunities. Today, the early-stage crypto team will break down everything you need to know about Base, from how it works to how to use it, and most importantly, how to navigate it safely to dodge scams and strike gold. So let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about Base. Coinbase, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, has rolled out its own Layer 2 solution for Ethereum called Base. It's built on Optimism, another Ethereum Layer 2, and both use optimistic roll-up tech to speed up and scale Ethereum transactions. I think of it as a superhighway for crypto transactions, bundling them together for a faster, smoother ride. What sets Base apart is its accessibility, especially if you're already using Coinbase or Coinbase Wallet. Unlike Optimism, Base doesn't have its own token yet. There's buzzing speculation about a potential airdrop for early users. So exploring Base now might not just be a savvy move, it could be a profitable one too. Step 1. Setting up your wallet. To dive into Base, you'll need a compatible wallet. The top contenders are Coinbase Wallet and MetaMask. Each has its perks and quirks. First, let's talk about Coinbase Wallet. The pros are the built-in Base support and super easy setup. The cons are that it's not as widely supported as MetaMask, which could limit access to some dApps and protocols. Now let's talk about MetaMask. Its pros are that it's hugely popular and a perfect option for exploring various altcoins and dApps. Its cons are that it requires manual setup for Base and extra caution with new dApps. Here are the steps to set up your Coinbase wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet extension from the official site. Second, follow the prompts to create a new wallet, writing down and securely storing your private seed phrase. Third, set a strong password. Base support will be included automatically. Now, let's talk about setting up MetaMask. First, download MetaMask from the official site. Second, visit Chainlist and search for Base. Third, connect your wallet and add Base to your network list, switching to the Base network. Step 2, adding ETH to your Base wallet. Next up, you'll need to fund your Base wallet with some ETH. There are two main ways. Let's start with method 1, which is using Coinbase and Base Bridge, and this is the safer, slower way. First, you'll buy ETH on Coinbase. Then, you'll use Coinbase's Base Bridge to transfer ETH to your Base wallet. It might take up to 7 days, but small transfers usually clear faster. Method 2 is using a third-party bridge, which is riskier but faster. First, you'll again buy ETH on your preferred exchange, like Bybit. Then, you'll send ETH to your Ethereum wallet. Finally, you'll use a third-party bridge like Hop Exchange to transfer ETH to Base. This method is quicker but comes with higher risks and fees. Step 3, exploring Base ecosystem projects. Now for the fun part, let's talk about finding those promising projects on Base. Here's how. You can start with crypto price tracking websites. Check platforms like CoinMarketCap for a list of Base ecosystem projects. Look for key players and connected projects to get a clearer picture. You can also check dApp tracking websites. I'd suggest using dApp Radar to see which dApps are gaining traction on Base. Always conduct thorough research before diving in. Now, onto DeFi protocols. Investigate which DeFi protocols on Base have the highest total value locked TVL. Some might be clones of popular Ethereum protocols, offering unique opportunities. And fourth, you can use DEX analytics tools like DEX Screener to analyze Base tokens' performance. This method is riskier and requires comprehensive research. Look for tokens with strong partnerships, investments, or exchange listings as potential growth indicators. As for step 4, let's get serious about managing risks. Exploring new ecosystems like Base comes with risks. We're going to expose each risk and explain how to manage them. We'll begin with centralization risks. Base currently operates on a single sequencer node controlled by Coinbase. While Coinbase plans to decentralize over time, this centralization poses potential risks. Next, we can't overlook the inevitable security risks. As a new Layer 2, Base hasn't been as rigorously tested as others. There's always a risk of hacks or exploits, especially given its reliance on Optimism's code. And who could forget those pesky and unpredictable regulatory risks? Coinbase could face regulatory pressures to impose restrictions, like KYC requirements on Base users. This has happened before with other Coinbase products. Now, on to step 5, diversifying with stablecoins. To effectively manage risk, consider diversifying into stablecoins. They offer a safe harbor for your gains and can be used for lending, staking, or as collateral for loans. Here are a few to consider. First, there's USDC or USD coin, which is backed by Circle and widely used in DeFi and supported by many exchanges. It's known for its transparency and regulatory compliance. Then there's USDT or Tether, which is the most traded stablecoin, offering extensive support across exchanges and DeFi platforms. However, it has faced scrutiny over its transparency and regulatory issues. There's also DAI, which is a decentralized stablecoin backed by collateral on the MakerDAO platform. It's favored for its decentralization and stability. Another good option is PAXG or Paxos Gold, which is a stablecoin backed by physical gold, offering a hedge against inflation and market volatility. It's a good option for those looking to diversify beyond fiat-pegged stablecoins. Moving on to step 6, let's talk about ensuring smart contract security. Navigating Base or any new crypto ecosystem requires understanding smart contract security. Here's what to look for. Number 1, code audits. These ensure the dApps and protocols you interact with have undergone thorough code audits by reputable firms. Audits can identify vulnerabilities and increase the project's security. Number 2 is community trust. You should probably engage with the community and check for any history of exploits or issues. Projects with strong, active communities and positive reputations are generally safer. Number 3 is bug bounty programs. You'll want to look for projects that have active bug bounty programs, which incentivize security researchers to find and report vulnerabilities, improving the project's security. While we're at it, let's talk about one cool bonus step most investors may not dive into: leveraging Layer 2 features. Using Layer 2 solutions like Base not only provides faster transactions, but also opens up unique opportunities within the ecosystem. Here are a few advanced strategies to maximize your gains. One such strategy is yield farming. You can participate in yield farming by providing liquidity to DeFi protocols on Base. This can generate passive income through interest and reward tokens. Just ensure you understand the risks, such as impermanent loss and smart contract vulnerabilities. Another cool strategy is staking. Look for staking opportunities on Base. By locking up your tokens, you can earn rewards, usually in the form of additional tokens. This helps support the network and can be a lucrative way to grow your holdings. You can also explore cross-chain interactions. You'll do this by exploring how Base interacts with other Layer 2 solutions and Layer 1 blockchains. Some protocols may offer cross-chain functionalities, allowing you to leverage assets across multiple networks for diversified yield opportunities and lower transaction fees. Next, let's talk about NFTs because no, they aren't entirely dead and done with. Base may also host NFT projects. Keep an eye on emerging NFT platforms and marketplaces within the Base ecosystem. Early adoption of promising NFT projects can lead to substantial gains, especially if these platforms gain traction. If used properly, Coinbase's Base ecosystem presents thrilling opportunities to discover the next 100x altcoin, but you'll need to take all of the aforementioned steps of setting up the right wallet, carefully selecting projects, diversifying with stablecoins, and understanding smart contract security in order to effectively profit from this 100x strategy. That said, you don't actually have to go through all those steps to make life-changing crypto returns. We're serious, and we have the proof to show you exactly which cryptos have done just that, and how to spot them to at least nab a 10xer the lazy way. Because let's be real, sometimes we just want to buy, hold, and watch those charts skyrocket. If you're curious which coins have made us those life-changing returns, click here to watch our video exposing the exact cryptos that have made our team more than 10x each, and subscribe if you want to learn the 7-figure crypto trading strategy to make $3,000 per day, which we'll be revealing in an upcoming video.